Every Qari decides correctly, but sometimes they make mistakes. This is the problem. But there are some who don't make mistakes. I'm talking about those who don't make mistakes. Everyone does not make. Of course, there are Qari who are qualified and recite the Holy Quran with correct pronunciation. They will be listening to me. They face difficulty when they lead Salatul Taraweeh. The worshippers leave the masjid as they also want such a Qari who is much fluent in recitation. People look at their watches and are willing to go to the masjid where Taraweeh finishes in 25 minutes, avoiding the one where Qari finishes in 40 minutes. They become uneasy if 15-minute scene is deleted from 3 hours long movie. People complain about deleting the scenes if the movie finishes before 15 minutes, but they don't take interest in reciting or listening to the Holy Quran. I mean, how big it is the misfortune for all of us. I think there is a saying of Hasan Basri rahmatullah alayh, which mentions that for the one who does not enjoy recitation of Quran, making zikr of Allah, and who does not enjoy prostration, the door is closed for him. It is not mentioned that which door is closed. It is not mentioned. In Ihya'ul Ulum, I think there may be some more sayings. Perhaps 2 more sayings are mentioned in it, which I don't remember now. What I mean to say, what will happen to us? We really don't enjoy at all. We just want to finish in a hurry. We don't take interest. We continue chatting with people for 2 hours, in which our time passes quickly. We go to hotels and sit there for chatting. We tune a sinful TV channel and sit in front of TV and spend hours and hours. But we don't take interest in remembering Allah and the Holy Rasul. He does not stop. Maulana makes a long speech. Maulana comes to flattery a lot. He does not leave the mic. And so. What can I say? I mean, we have become so fed up and it has crossed the limits.
You're talking about those who come to masjid to offer Salatul Taraweeh and they do like this, don't you think? Perhaps a majority don't offer Salatul Taraweeh.
Yes.
So whatever is the reality, and mashallah, I hope hundreds of thousands of people are with you at the moment on Madani channel. I mean, this is what the people want, this is what they demand, and you are at the moment describing the demand of the people. That's the kind of disease, isn't it? That has become so common. It's something what relates to Taraweeh. During routine Salah also people don't want long recitation of the Holy Quran. They indeed want to finish Salatul Isha and Salatul Fajr as soon as possible. This is a condition of those who offer Salah regularly. The disposition that we have throughout the year with regard to reciting, learning, understanding and listening to Quran, how can it be changed in the name of Taraweeh? Just as the holy month of Ramadan arrives. These days it is usually planned in masajid in order to gather a lot of people. The administration thinks that if they go for finishing the entire Quran during Taraweeh, finishing 1 1/4 of a chapter doesn't attract many people. So they decide from the final 10 surahs to attract them. If people come to know about a masjid where Imam takes short time, from Salatul Isha till the end of offering Witr, where in the duration of 20 to 25 minutes the Imam finishes Taraweeh, and let me tell you that really I have listened to strange sentences. Oh, that Imam, he usually finishes in almost 20 minutes. We leave masjid just in 20 minutes. This is really great. We usually go there. People like to offer Salah in that masjid. The Imam finishes in 20 minutes. Just stand. This is the mindset of common people.
They run to the masjid where Taraweeh finishes early.
That's right.
For such Taraweeh, arrangements are made at different locations in grounds and compounds of a school.
This is what I'm saying.
Are made in bungalows. People gather there to finish as quickly
within
as
20
possible.
or 25 minutes, starting from the first of Salatul Isha to the end of offering Witr. You just imagine that people want to finish Salah within 20 or 25 minutes. This is the mindset of the common people.
Yes. Anyway, let me tell that Taraweeh is Sunnat-e Muakkada, and people have to offer it throughout Ramadan. If someone finishes Quran, no matter if he finishes in a day, yet it is Sunnah to offer Taraweeh daily, and it is first to offer Salatul Isha. 4 Farz, 2 Sunnat-e Muakkada and 3 Witr, which the Muslims have to offer throughout the year. Anyway, and let me tell you that the psychology of people should also be considered. So, the pace of recitation can be fast during Taraweeh, but the principles of phonetics such as proper care should be taken about upper and lower vowel sounds, and all the words should be clear to the listeners, instead of only last word. So the Imam should recite the entire Quran during Taraweeh. It is not permitted to utter words which cannot be understood and to neglect the rules of phonetics.